morning, Llamas. I'm Miss Tara.
And I'm Miss Raya. Welcome to Head Start. This is our open house video.
We are going to start out where we get off the bus. We're going to walk into the building so you can see our daily routine. Then afterwards, we'll show you what we do when we have parents that drop off. And then we'll head to our classroom. So get ready for a nice ride through our school. We will walk up the steps here safely. And we're going to sit down on these steps. We'll sit here and we will wait for the rest of our friends to get off the bus safely. When everybody is in here, we're going to line up against the wall here. When everybody is quiet and ready to walk down the hall, we're going to go. Come on with me. We have the cafeteria or the kitchen right next to you. And then our friends in this room, family advocates. You'll see some cubbies, but they're not ours. They belong to our Radiant Rainbow friends. We have so much trees in here, just kidding. And as we go on down the hall, we're going to see Miss Kathy here, who's busy on the phone. That's why we're quiet, because she could be really busy on the phone. And then we walk down, past the office, and then right here's our cubbies. Everybody will take off their book bags, jackets, whatever they have, and hang them in here. And then while we wait for everybody to get ready, we'll sit and wait for all of our friends to hang up all of their belongings. So that is how we get off the bus and walk down the hall. Now we're going to show you what we do when we have friends that drop off at the door.
This is our routine when parents drop off. When you come up, you will come park over here, even though there's a yellow line. Only one adult may come out of the car with the child. And you must be wearing a mask or stay 6 feet away. There will be a teacher taking the temperature and asking a series of questions. And once the temperature has been taken and the questions are done, then your child will say goodbye and we will walk up to the door. There may not be any other parents or children in the building. And then when we walk up here with the children, we'll walk up to the front door. Kathy will open the door. Walk in, and then we'll go this way to our cubbies.
Yep, go ahead, sit down, show them again.
You will come to your cubbies and find your name and hang up your coat and your backpack and have a seat and wait for all of our friends to be done. Okay, turn it off. I'm really.
Hi guys. So when we're done putting away all our coats, our backpacks, and whatever we have, we will go into the restroom. We'll go potty, wash our hands, and when everybody's ready, we're gonna sit on this line while we're waiting for everybody to finish. Then, when the teachers say it's time to go, we're gonna walk quietly down the hall, because remember, there's other classrooms that are learning. We're gonna walk quietly down the hall to our classroom, so let's go find it. We have some friends waiting. Say hi. We got Miss Marley,
Hi.
Miss Lisa, and Miss Paula.
Hi guys.
And as we're looking for our room, this one is the monkeys. Are we monkeys? We're llamas. So let's keep looking for our room. Oh, here's a room. Hi, Miss Erica. She's a new teacher in here.
Hi guys.
But this isn't our room, because look, they're unicorns. Remember, we are the llamas. So this is our room. And when we get down here, we're going to stand along this wall, and we're going to do our greetings. So everybody can see what they are. So we have our thumbs up, if you want to be greeted with a thumbs up. We have a fist bump. Hit my hand, that's right. Oh, yeah, look, fist bump. We can do a heart.
So I don't know where room in
hugs. Just put your arms out just like this. We can give a peace sign. Or we can do my favorite, it's the dab. So let's go on in now that we've been greeted. So this is our classroom, very exciting. The first thing we're gonna do is you'll go into the safekeeper box, but it's empty. So the first thing we'll have to do when you guys come is make your little person, and you're gonna write your name on this so we know that this is you. When it's full, that's when you'll look in here, take your picture out of the box. Actually, we're gonna put the picture in the box to keep you safe. Then you get to pick your job, so everybody will have their name with a picture, and you'll pick your job. And this is the job you're gonna pick for the whole week, not just for one day. You get to do it for the whole week. And then when we're done doing that, come check out. We're gonna wash our hands. So here's our sink. And I bet you guys are the best hand washers ever. Get one pump of soap. And make sure you turn your water on before you rub your hands. That way you don't get soap all over the handle and it'd be hard to turn off. And then rub your hands for 20 seconds. So sing with me. I don't know, but I've been told a bathroom's full of germs and mold. Wash our hands, rub them, scrub them, rub them, scrub them, use soap. Now rinse your hands and you are all done. That was 20 seconds. But wait, don't turn your water off yet. Get a towel first, just one. Dry your hands off really good. Use the towel to turn your water off. That way you don't get the germs that are on the handle back on your hands. So what do we do after we wash our hands? In the mornings, we're gonna sit at the tables and have snack. Everybody has their own chair. So you'll find your name and you'll sit in your chair. And then after snack, we're gonna come and sit here. This is our circle area. There's enough space for everybody to sit, and you get to pick a shape and you'll sit on it. So we also have our safe place. I bet everybody remembers the safe place. It's where we go when we're scared, when we're sad, when we're angry. We come here to calm down. We've got some activities there for you to do. This here is our computer area. We have some games and other activities that you can do. We have our writing area. Everybody has their own journal, and everybody has their own box with paper, pencils, dry erase markers. Let's get to the cool stuff, right? Here's our block area. Lots of blocks to play with. We got a little table. There's cars and trucks. You're gonna love it. There's so many things to do. We can build and create. And then we have our kitchen area. We have food and things to cook with. You can dress up. So much imagination. We're gonna have a great time. So much fun. And then we have our little toy area where we can explore. We got a scale. We'll be little investigators, discovering new things and having so much fun. And then we have our art area, which is right here. This is our art easel where you can paint. But all your art is in a cubby right here. Everybody has their own. You don't have to share. And you'll have all kinds of art that's yours only. We're not going to share with our friends. These are for you only to use. And everybody will have a tray so they can do their sand and Play-Doh. I really hope you guys like our room. We worked so hard to get it ready for you guys, and we are so excited to have you. In just 3 days, you guys will be here, and we're gonna have so much fun, and we're gonna learn so many new things. We wish you well. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you Tuesday morning.